scared to leave her all alone. But she got time, and she knows what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems to love.
Hi everyone, and welcome to another studio vlog. Well, let me sit down. Today I'm starting on the new collection for Fall/Winter 2020, which I'm excited about. I actually took quite a long break this time in between collections, and that's because when I wrapped up the last collection back in January, I felt like I was really in the flow of drawing and creating new products. So I had the genius idea, why not start with the Fall/Winter collection right away? Well, I sketched out like 10 new card designs back then and let them sit for around a week or so. And when I got back to them, I didn't feel excited to draw any of these at all, which didn't feel like a good sign. So I decided to give myself a little break to bring back the creativity and energy. And yeah, what should I say? I really took it seriously. This little break has turned into 5 months. Anyway, I'm excited to get back on track and start with a new collection, and I hope you too, because I will take you along with me. Also, look what arrived in the mail. I finally placed an order for the Apple Pencil, and I'm really excited to test it out. Also, I wanted to say a huge thank you to everyone who commented on the vlog where I was asking if it's worth the money to invest in the original Apple Pencil or if there's a good stylus option. Your answers were definitely helpful for me and really helped me in the process of making a decision, so thank you. I have to say that I'm quite excited to see if I'm going to fall in love with drawing digitally, because I think there's definitely the possibility, since I like the fact about it that it's not as messy as drawing with watercolor is, just because you don't need colors and paper and water. You just need your iPad and your pen, obviously. So yeah, let's see how all of this will evolve. I want to try to draw these vegetables also digitally and make a comparison to the watercolor version, even though I already know that the digital version probably won't turn out that great, just because I'm not an experienced digital drawer yet, and when I've been drawing digitally in the past it looked more like the drawing of a 5-year-old. But I guess that's just normal because you just get better with practice, I think. And yeah, I hope you are prepared for some awful digital drawings within the next few months. Please stick with me. And hopefully one day I will get better. Or I will return the Apple Pencil and stick to my watercolor. We will see. It will stay exciting. I just finished the broccoli and radish in Procreate, and I have to say, drawing this with both mediums, watercolor and Procreate, was really insightful for me. First of all, I like the watercolor version way better than the Procreate version, and that not only because I think my Procreate skills can definitely use some improvement, but more because I realized that I really love the raw and individual look of the watercolor. It just looks like there's way more life in it, and also gives me this kind of nostalgic feeling, whereas this just looks a little bit too polished and unpersonal to me. I don't know, maybe I'm also just using the wrong brushes at the moment. I've been mostly using chalk and ink brushes, so if you have any brush recommendations for Procreate, I would love to know about them, so please let me know in the comments. That would really make me super happy. I also wanted to give you a little update on the plant I bought in my last vlog. It's growing pretty fast. This trendle here, for example, wasn't even existing when I bought it, as well as these over here. And I think this plant will be really good for propagating since it's growing so fast. And I don't know, can you see this little arrow here? I never had this plant before, but I guess you just have to cut on top of it and then place it into water and it will probably grow roots. I will definitely test that as soon as it's grown a few more trendles. Also, this plant over here really seems to like its new pot. It has grown so much since I repotted it. These 4 leaves are new ones, and it's already growing another one. So I guess someone really likes its new home. The postman was just here and dropped off a package. And guess what it was? My temporary tattoo sheets arrived. I was so nervous when I got the package that I didn't manage to film it. In fact, I was so nervous I even made Lucas nervous, which is crazy because Lucas is normally the most laid-back guy ever, so yeah. Even though I didn't film the unpacking, I will film how I will apply one of them for the first time. So that's exciting, at least for me, and I hope for some of you too. So yeah, let's do this. I will end the video here now because I have to cook dinner, and I know it's probably a little bit shorter than usual, but I hope you don't mind and you liked it anyway. If you liked it, I would be super happy if you would give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I hope to see you again in the next vlog soon. Bye!